let me ask you a very simple question. Have you ever spoken English and immediately felt that people were focusing on your pronunciation, on your accent, rather than focusing on what you're trying to say? Or perhaps someone might ask you to repeat yourself at the same time. Or maybe you felt nervous speaking in meetings, interviews, or even conversations. Or perhaps you simply want to sound more natural, more fluent, and even more confident when you speak in English. So if that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Please make sure that you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to introduce you to something that I've never imagined that I will make a video about it. Because today I want to introduce you something that I've been working on it for quite a long time. Actually, is a complete British transformation program that is designed to help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally with a British pronunciation accent. So now, if you haven't seen the course has been out there for over the last, I would say, 4 weeks now. If you're watching this on TikTok, you'll find the link in the bio, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll find the link in the description below in the show notes. So please make sure that you view the course and see the requirements. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what this course is all about, what you will learn during this course if you join, how it works, and what kind of transformation can you expect. So let's get started. Why accent training matters. First of all, let's talk about something quite fundamental. When people learn to speak in English, they usually focus on grammar, vocabulary, and those things are important, okay? They're very fundamental. But there is one area that many learners struggle with, which is of course pronunciation, accent, and confidence. You might know many English words and you might understand English very well, okay? But when you speak, the sounds may not come out, and then the way the native English speakers pronounce them, and that you can create problems like people misunderstand you, feel like you feel less confident when you speak in English, hesitating during the conversations, or even avoiding speaking English altogether. But the good news here is your accent is not a fix, okay? Your accent can be improved, just like learning a musical instrument, okay, or training your voice. An accent, I've always explained this, accent is all about training your muscles. Imagine like playing a guitar, okay? You do this with your hands, with your fingers, and then ultimately, overnight, you will find yourself that you have improved, you know how to play a guitar. So accent improvement, accent reduction works the same way. You practice, the more you practice, the more you get better, because the practice make permanent. Exactly, and this is what exactly the course is designed to help you to do the same. What is this course? This program is complete British transformation course. I have divided into three packages. Each package includes different different structure, different specification. It depends on your accent. Now, before you join the course, I'll be evaluating your accent through the WhatsApp message. You will send me a voice note through the WhatsApp. I will evaluate your accent, how it looks, and what package you need to choose in order to work towards your pronunciation at the same time. And I believe this program is a complete training system. It focuses on helping you to develop a clear, natural pronunciation, which is a modern RP. Pronunciation is step by step. And this is not about guessing, actually, because a lot of people, when they're trying to get a British accent, they listen to many different accents, which is completely out of date, okay? And in this course, I provide to you lots of different tips, and you work with me one-to-one, not by memorizing complete theory, okay, but by training your ears, your mouth at the same time, and your speaking habits. Because you're speaking with a British accent, it's not just about copying sounds, it's about understanding, okay? It's all about understanding how sounds are produced, how words are connected, and how rhythm works in English, and how native speakers naturally speak English, okay? Once you understood all of these patterns, your pronunciation becomes easier, much more natural at the same time. During this course, what you will learn in this course, let me show you exactly what you will learn inside the course, okay? So now the program is organized into several key sections, as I mentioned earlier, okay? Mastering sounds in British pronunciation, and everything begins with the core sounds of English language, okay? And particularly a modern received pronunciation. Many learners struggle because English contains sounds that simply doesn't exist in their native language. So in this section, we will break down short vowel sounds, even longer vowel sounds, diphthongs, and even consonants, and difficult and quite fundamental combinations to help you sound more British, okay? So, but we don't just explain them, okay? You will learn how your mouth moves and your tongue position, and even how to sound more confident, okay? And then you will practice them until you feel natural. Let's say pronouncing words clearly. Once you understand the sounds, we move to real words, okay? This section focuses on correct pronunciation patterns, syllable distress, silent letters, commonly mispronounced words, and these lessons help you start sounding clear and more natural when speaking English with a modern received pronunciation. Speaking with a natural rhythm. Now, here's something that many pronunciation courses ignore, okay? Accent is not just about individual sounds. Well, pronunciation, or British accent, is all about rhythm, music, and English has a very specific rhythm. Native speakers naturally stress certain words and reduce others. So in this section, you will definitely learn sentence stress, and even you will learn word linking, and even you will learn connected speech, weak forms, and even natural intonation. So this is where your speeches start to sound more fluent and more authentic, like a British English speaker. So the real accent practice, okay? Of course, learning pronunciation requires practice, right? Throughout the course, you will find repetition drills, you will listen to exercises, shadowing practice, and even you will have a speaking training with me, okay? You will repeat after the mutual, practice the sounds, and then gradually build your confidence, because accent transformation happens through the consistent training makes this course different. Now, you might wondering what makes this course different from other pronunciation lessons, of course. Now, the program focuses on practical accent training, not just explaining. Every lesson is designed to help you to sound more confident, to hear the sound, to understand, and to practice it, and even to use it in your speech, to implement it yourself. And because the lessons are recorded, if you want to record them, you will record them so you can practice at your own pace, okay? We have a Zoom call, so I'll be explaining, and you will record if you would like to record. Of course, you can pause and repeat after you record it, and you'll be able to watch it in your own time. So you will practice again, and it slowly builds your pronunciation skills. All this course is definitely for. This course is perfect for those who they definitely want to develop the British pronunciation, want a clear English pronunciation, and you want to speak with more confidence, and even you want to sound more natural in English. Especially useful for intermediate to advanced English learners who already understand English but you want to improve how to speak clearly. Well, what you can expect in this transformation course, if you want me to be honest with you, you can expect in this course, like accent training, okay, it's not a magic, okay? You won't wake up tomorrow and sound like a native English speaker, but if you practice consistently, you will notice improvement, okay? Definitely. Your pronunciation will become clear, your speech will become smoother, and most importantly, you will feel even more confident when you speak in English. And confidence is not a biggest change that students experience. I would say your accent transformation starts here. So if you're ready to take pronunciation seriously, and if you finally start developing a clear British pronunciation accent, which is the modern received pronunciation, you can join the full program through the membership link. You'll find the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. However, if you're watching this on TikTok, you'll find the link in the bio where you'll be able to straight away take you to the course. So now inside the course you will get access to lessons and you can start practicing immediately. So if you want to take your time, that's fine, but repeat them and practice them out loud, and of course step by step you will start transforming the way you speak and of course the way you sound more confident. So if your goal is to speak English clearly, more naturally and even more confident, then this British pronunciation, the transformation course, is designed for you. So join the program and start training your pronunciation and begin your accent transformation course. And of course, hopefully, I'll see you inside the course. See you next time, guys. Take care.